It's I got that sheet that you sent me that's got like the bulk of the installation on it, but it'd be nice to be able to. When there's some factory manuals and stuff in there.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to know that so we can get all the torque spec and everything off of those.
I didn't even think about that till right now. I should have brought my computer with me.
Okay.
Yep.
If it was German, we used to go
Gudentite.
Yeah. But since it's Italian, we might need them.
It's a close enough.
Yeah, there
I'm
you
here
go.
to translate. And the last
That's the clutch lockout switch. Yep.
Yeah. And it even has the wire already
Well,
tucked
make
behind
that
that
out of metal.
whole thing. All the cars.
Looks 3D printed, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is. It's 3D printed PA6 nylon.
I guess it's not going to have a lot of torque in it.
Yeah, it should just clamp onto a pipe, and I think that switch is just going to bump it like that, or like this,
Really? It don't matter.
something like that. Anyway. These are probably what shims and bushings for the pedal. I'm guessing there's going to be a nylon shim
Yeah,
between the
them.
pedals,
Probably so.
and those are probably shims for the outside. I read the instructions, but it's been a few weeks now. Okay, this is a turnbuckle for the. This looks like it's probably a backing plate for this. Also
For the
3D
master
printed.
cylinder, yeah.
Most likely goes through here,
I found the
or
plug.
maybe it's a spacer. I'll have
I
to
think
go
I think it did go there. He said, I
all the
seem
way
to
up
recall
here.
pulling the boot off and then putting that
Yeah.
on there.
A turn spring, a turnbuckle.
It's been a while since I looked at them too. So.
Mm.
Okay, how do you get the back of this up?
If this is my expertise, you might need to switch again. Alright, which
What's holding it down at the back, Marco?
is this?
Does
we need
it
to take this
slide?
underneath here. There's two.
Those two aren't attached to it.
No. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, those two are not holding the console.
Hold on 1 second. Let me double check.
It's something further back. It's either a hook that needs to slide.
Let me go look.
That's all fine and dandy, but that is after you get this out.
Yeah.
How to
here,
get this
I'm trying
out.
to see where I'm at. Here, use this.
There's a, so there's a single
Go back.
screw.
Go back. Go
There's
back
a single
one.
screw in the center.
Here, push back on that. That's what I was trying to.
Push back on what? You want to go back a picture? Is that what you're saying?
Mhm. One more. All right. Did you do these?
Okay, those are also under this. I still haven't
Okay.
gotten this out, and I haven't seen that plug yet.
So that hasn't come up.
Those are out.
They are. Okay.
That one's out. That's out. Those are all out. Where the hell is that plug? Looks like that plug.
Yeah, it does. But why would it?
Okay, that's underneath here. That's what you take out after you get this. That is this plate of under here.
Did you take this out right here? Maybe it's. Oh, you can
No,
see
I
underneath
see
it.
under
Okay.
that. And the whole front of the console is loose.
Mm-hmm.
There's something under There's one screw back here.
Try
So
and
if we
pry
look
up. Pry up on that.
But that bracket right here is back here somewhere, and that screw.
Pry
is
up on
somewhere-
that leather piece.
Okay, let me go get a hook that I can get under it with. That's the zip tie. Awesome. I love it. You need some. Is the boot coming with the console?
Yeah.
Then we need to get it to slide off that.
So we gotta.
There's a zip tie in it.
You got some.
Oh, Roger.
Try to pull it
I
this
see
way
what you're
and
saying.
yeah.
Turn it inside out.
Yeah.
Roger that.
And then you re-zip tie it upside down.
Gotcha.
And then put it back over
Okay,
like
so
a...
let's try to work that. It's a little stiff right there. You tell me to stop if I'm going.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it's zip tied like this, man.
Let
Look,
me see if I can see from this side.
it's inside out and then zip tied like this and then pulled over.
So that carpet goes down so low.
Pull the console like this, man.
Hang on.
Okay, now we got the plugs loose.
Yeah.
Pull the
Pull the
console.
console like that, the whole console. Up and over. Towards the front of the car.
I don't understand what you're trying to tell me.
Is it?
See, it says height 50. Maybe come backwards with it. See if you. We're hitting up here. Hang on my thumbnail.
Aye.
And
Yeah,
then,
yeah.
And then unfold the front of it.
Let's do that.
Mhm. Yeah, that's what they do.
Get these without getting your weather.
Sweet.
Turn around here.
Oh, this is a little. There we go. That little flap door right there
Oh,
is
yeah.
hanging us up. There's a broken clip.
Does it have a wire running between it?
Yes. No.
So
Black
this
and
is
yellow.
okay. So trade me a.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
that
okay,
wire's that wire's right there. My guess is this is integrated into the shift tower.
Probably, yeah. It looks like it.
What about
You know, I
this?
noticed, too,
What
the
about
top
this
rest
front
when it
one?
goes-
Does this
You
front?
notice the shift tower in the back kind of kicks out a little bit?
What about this front one, Marco?
I'm assuming it's going to be the front one too. Yep. Oh, and those are 13s.
Back to 13.
All that shit back up in carpet. Okay. There's that. Let me get the rest of these washers out of here. There we go. If we leave them in there, they will fall out and you won't notice.
Gone forever.
It's some Italian engineering.
Oh, something clicked.
There's some, here we are. It's washers were left behind there.
Okay.
Here's one more.
What is that module?
This is going to be the airbag velocity sensor. It's going to be a what do they call it? A accelerometer.
Should we undo the battery, I guess? No.
Yes. So, is this the ECM for the engine, or is this the TCM for the F1 box? Do we know?
That's all I need to know. And I guess he just tucked that away. Because it's a jumper, right? It's not in use anymore. Just like that.
Will your pad fit in that hole?
Yes. It appears.
Remember where these went? Remember how they were?
Throw them in a bag. We'll figure it out later.
Shit, one's... It's weird that it's like this, huh?
Yeah, it really is.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm letting go.
Oh wait, I forgot I gotta do this front ones also. Forgot about these.
All right, that's it. You out? Here, I'll lay it on the ground.
Man, all of this needs to run down the central tunnel. I see now, says the blind man. Ran it through. It's hilarious. All right, so there's a 10 millimeter there. That has to push out that direction. I'm gonna need a ratcheting wrench, actually. I'm gonna get up here in a minute and get everything I need. I'm gonna get up here in a minute and go get everything I need. I'm just kind of checking it out right now. So that pin's got to go that direction. It can't go this direction. He said shaft. That's. I got to get it lined up just right. Like that. Okay, another shim. Okay. And then the clutch pedal switch. Clutch pedal switch.
About the size of the band. That's what it is. You fit 4 Italians in there.
Clutch pedal switch. Okay. Another shim. There. Okay. Brake pedal. That last shim is going to be super fun. Okay. Oh, it's tight, and that clutch switch is tight.
You're used to driving a
Oh.